Feeding out hay is a simple activity that gets people injured and killed every year on farms. So it's important to use the right equipment and to do it in a way that conserves feed. Now, while everyone knows that you shouldn't use normal pallet tine forks to feed out hay for obvious reasons, there are limitations to bale tines as well. And that is that although I can move the bales around and certainly cut off the strapping, I can't roll them out. I have to take them off the tractor and then I've lost control of my feed, and that can lead to wastage issues and spoilage. So today I'm having a look at a solution. Meet the little blue hay feeder that's black. Hey. This comes in single bale and twin bale configurations and can be set up for the front end loader on a tractor or for the 3-point linkage. And it offers you the ability to not only pick up and move around the bales, but also roll them out and conserve your feed by rolling them out in multiple locations across your property. So let's go over the basic features of the little blue before we start to use it. It's got a 50 litre a minute hydraulic motor that produces 100 cc's of energy. That drives a chain down onto 3 sets of bearings. We've got 2 40mm pillar bearings supporting the drive shaft, plus a 50mm bearing at the front, meaning that this thing can put up with and withstand extremely heavy loads. The drive body is taller than you'd expect and certainly taller than a lot of other machines on the market, and this is done so that even the largest of round bales, if it comes back against the machine during use, can't foul. As long as the bale spikes enter the bale somewhere near centre, it's going to rotate and pivot beautifully on the machine, allowing you to customise your feed out. Now, obviously the next step is removing this pesky plastic. And when you're in the paddock, plastic wrap is an absolute pain to deal with. You've either got to put it in the cab with you or find somewhere to jab it. The bloke that designed this actually uses these products, and he's come up with a really simple hook system to keep it away from trouble. There's a huge advantage using rotating bale spikes to feed out hay. Obviously, dominant cattle can't prevent others from getting a feed, and the natural behaviour of cattle of mingling around their feed doesn't result in a good portion of your hay being fouled. So if you want to have happy, healthy cattle and conserve your feed at the same time, consider getting a rotating bale spike. They up your hay game. The little blue, which is black, can be found in the link in the description below or at good field days near you. Guys, if you like this kind of content, don't forget, hit the little subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. There's plenty more on timthompson.ag. I'll have a look at something else interesting next week.